Hey, this is Stuntman7964 reporting from my desk. I have a special unboxing for y'all. I bought an iPhone 2G off eBay from Lisa Rotz, whatever. All I've done so far was just cut open the box. I have not opened the little wrapping that she put in there. But yeah. But like for what she said was in here, I would expect it to be more than just this little box. I was like, what the fuck? And yeah, this is all that. It was just this. It was just this thing. Okay. There wasn't anything in a box. That's it. It was just that. Okay, let's put that box aside. Okay, so this is actually pretty heavy. I didn't think it would be that heavy for some reason, but she said she gave me 2 extra USB cables, so that's pretty good. Let's open this. Okay, hold up. Okay, here's your first USB cable, I guess. Put that aside, and oh, there it is. That Apple logo. Oh, we're almost there. Okay. Okay, so this is our iPhone 8 gig. Apple logo here. She said it was used but in excellent condition. Here's some stuff on the back. AT&T, Apple. And it was already jailbroken, so let's see. I don't know if I'm listening to, but I'm listening to Attack. Okay. Anyways, let's open this. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is perfect. There's no scratches or blemishes or anything on the screen. It is in perfect condition. It looks new. I'm not even kidding. Like, it looks new. The back, it looks new. It doesn't even look like it's even been used at all. Okay, let's set this aside. Okay, got this little plastic thing. Whoa, it's actually pretty thick. Look at that. Set that aside. Okay, we got our little designed by Apple in California thing. Let's see. Kind of hard with one hand. Okay, fingertips. Got fingertips. I guess just shows how to work it, which I really don't need. Set that aside. iPhone. I guess the user manual. Set that aside. And we got our Apple stickers. Okay. Here's the second USB cable that she mentioned. Okay. She gave me some earbuds, which I'm not gonna use because they look like they've been used, and that's kind of nasty. And this is, I guess, the charger, like the outlet thing. Yeah, it's actually tiny. Look at that. It's tiny. Okay. Just put this back in. Set it aside. iPhone. Alright. Change music. Oh yeah, August Burns are. Alright. So here is the iPhone. Turn it on. Oh yeah, with the Apple logo. And I already popped out. I already took out my SIM from my other phone, T-Mobile. I'm gonna use it with T-Mobile. So I had a Samsung Behold before this, and they said I was gonna use paperclip, so that's what I got. Yep. August Burns It was a pretty sturdy box. It smells like new shoes. It's weird. Okay, takes a while to start up. Okay, I know I'm boring. Okay, there we go. Start it up. It says no SIM card installed, so we'll go ahead and do that. So all you do is this there. Pop out the SIM tray. Okay, get the card. Like that. Okay, let's see.